Meaning of Hiawatha.
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 Hiawatha. Hiawatha is a name that originated from the Native American Ojibwe language, meaning he who combs. It is also associated with the legendary figure of Hiawatha, a warrior and chief of the Onondaga tribe in what is now New York. The story of Hiawatha, as popularized by poet Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, tells of his efforts to unite the Iroquois tribes into the League of Five Nations, or Haudenosaunee. Hiawatha's legacy has become an important symbol of unity and peace among Native American communities, and his name continues to inspire generations to this day.